Do you have a roof that needs an expert? The right professional can make all the difference. But how do you find the best roofer for the job? It's simple when you know what to look for and the right questions to ask. Today's local roofing expert will provide some great tips on finding the perfect professional that will easily tackle your project.
My name is Jeffrey Benoit of Central Mass Building and Construction. I'm often asked, how do you go about finding the right roofer? The problem is, finding the right roofer can feel very overwhelming. And the good news, it doesn't have to be difficult, as you know what questions to ask. I'd like to give you a few tips on finding the right roofer. Do they have a great reputation? You want to make sure that you read at least 6 to 10 reviews, because it really will give you a comfort before you make your decision. Tip number 2, find out what their area of expertise is. You really want to make sure that you're making the best choice for exactly what you need. Tip number 3, are they set up on the latest techniques and materials? You want to make sure you choose a professional who believes that there's always a room for improvement and always ready to learn more. If you have any remodeling needs, please feel free to visit our website at www.centralmassbuilding.net or call us at 978-343-7244.
And there you have it. It's simple to stay focused with the right professional. Would you like to know more? Our expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Until next time.